How to play Black Hole Solitaire by PracticalGamingCenter.com. To set up Black Hole Solitaire, take out the ace of spades and place it in the center. Shuffle the cards. Deal out 17 piles of 3 face-up cards each, splayed outwards. The objective of Black Hole Solitaire is to get all the cards into the center foundation pile by adding the next highest or the next lowest ranking card, regardless of suit. Only the top card of each tableau pile is available for play. Cards may only be played onto the center foundation pile. Aces may be played on kings, and kings may be played on aces. Black Hole Solitaire continues until there are no more moves available to be made. To win Black Hole Solitaire, all cards must be played into the middle foundation pile. There are a few variations for this game that can be found at PracticalGamingCenter.com.